All right, so now let's look at an example where Git might not really serve its full intended purpose when we're talking about Power BI and DevOps. So one thing when we read instructions for setting up DevOps with Git is to make sure that you save all your reports in the pbib format instead of the traditional pbex format. And the primary reason for that is that the pbib uses JSON as its metadata that's behind it. Now, this works when you're looking at differences in different files or differences in when you have different versions of files. But when there's a merge conflict, this will not actually work the way we want it. So one example I can give you is just say I want to have 10 fingers in my right hand. And to achieve that, I bring my left hand and merge my fingers together. And now I have 10 fingers here. But was I really able to get 10 fingers on my right hand? The obvious answer is no, aside from this weird structure that I formed here. So the same thing is true. Just because you might seem to be able to merge two JSON files or two different versions of the JSON file doesn't mean that it semantically makes sense.